yarn under, and yarn over. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn under the hook, and yarn over. And this is the result of yarn under and yarn over. Now take the next color of yarn, insert in this stitch, and make a chain. And this chain is not counted as a stitch. Then as you go on, hold this tail and do a single crochet in the next and in the following, including the beginning chain. Once done with the last stitch, cut the yarn, pull up this loop, take your darning needle and insert in the second stitch. Then insert it in the back loop of the last stitch.